Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by defining constraints that force better choices. Choose canvas and set 24 FPS so timing feels natural. Once done, block key poses in a rough pass on separate layers to capture the action arc. This gives you readable silhouettes. Make sure to enable uneven skin and limit your palette to a few colors so decisions stay focused. You'll work faster and learn timing. Start with 3-5 keyframes, then break them into breakdowns. This structure trains both eye and workflow. You now turn keys into believable motion by inserting in-betweens and testing timing. Try 1/2 and 1/3 placements to see how spacing affects speed. Once done, refine lines on a clean layer and separate shadows and highlights so you can adjust without repainting. Make sure to use Flipaclip's camera and easing controls to stage movement and duplicate frames for repeating cycles. Keep previewing at full speed and trim or extend holds until the motion reads clearly. You finalize by cleaning artifacts, checking resolution, and exporting as MP4 or GIF with appropriate bitrate. Once done, scrub the final playback and address jitter by comparing keys to clean line work. Add a subtle motion blur or an extra in between to smooth a pop. Make sure to adjust frame exposure or retime stubborn keys if the rhythm feels wrong. If export quality drops, decrease compression or export frames as PNGs, then assemble externally. That single troubleshooting tip: isolate the problem layer first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.